pause this video and then kind of come in here. So now let me give you what are the reasons why you should be kind of trading. So there is a laundry list which I have kind of listed to see, and you see which reason resonates. If all the reasons resonates, great. Or if there are specific few reasons which resonates, just hold on to those reasons. Those reasons are good enough for you to be trading in stock market. The first and foremost is, of course, to make money and make profits, right? It's no rocket science, right? That is the reason why you and me are here, right? Now, second, optimal utilization of your capital can happen in trading, right? So in investing, right, the duration of capital to be blocked is longer, whereas in trading you can kind of adjust that capital accordingly. One. And second, if you trade in multiple instruments and multiple segments, you can deploy your capital to those counters where the ROI can be higher, and you can kind of cull out, can remove from one counter and deploy another counter, pretty quick and fast. Whereas in trading, in investing, it can kind of take a little bit longer time for you to, move the capital around. That's the second reason. Next, a regular income. In trading, you can manage to get a regular income, maybe monthly, quarterly, whatever. But in investing, you have to wait for your investment either to mature or to grow. You have to allow it a substantial period of time. So a regular income may not be possible in investing, but in trading, regular income is kind of really possible for those of you who are looking at a passive source of another regular income, right? Then you can start small and scale up based on your ability, what you have, based on your current capital, what you have. That's a very, very good advantage of trading. Then wealth creation is relatively faster than investing, because here in trading you will use your capital in derivative trading with the help of leverage. If you can rightly manage the risk, your wealth creation is that much more faster. You learn about that too, right? Then your return on your capital or return on your investment is highest in comparison to any other form of assets or business. Stock market gives one of the highest return. Of course, trading gives one of the highest return. At the same time, it also means there can be a slightly higher risk. But what is important is how do you balance that and manage your risk. So you will also learn about how to manage your risk here. But that's highest return on your capital is one of the very big reasons why you should be trading. Then passive income. You don't have to be in front of the screen, right? You can still spend just about 15 minutes and still manage everything in trading. That's a very, very big advantage. There is no business which can be a passive business and gives you a very high return, right? Where you don't have to actively involve. Then any person with any background can trade in stock market. It's one of the biggest myth that you have to have a lot of prior knowledge. Yes, you need to acquire some kind of knowledge and training in becoming one, but it does not restrict anybody from any background, whatever you are doing, right? Even if you're not doing anything, this is something which you can get in. So that's a very, very big plus for you to be a trader. Then finally, especially in India, we have less than 5% of the people in stock markets compared to Europe and US, where 40% and above are in stock markets. Which means what? We have a huge gap to cover, which means there is that much more opportunity for us to explore in stock market. And that's a very big reason for us to be in trading in stock market. Then next, there are many forms of trading suiting every person's taste and style. So in investing, it's just buying. You have to buy stocks and wait. That's all it is. Whereas in trading, you can do many forms of trading, which you will learn in this series today, where you can kind of do short-term trades, long-term trades, various other instruments you can trade in, right? That's an advantage. So it is not restricted to one way of doing this. There is many ways to kind of doing. So whatever is your style, that can be adapted. You can kind of adapt to that particular stage. That's an advantage. Next is in trading, you really don't have to change your current lifestyle, right? Can easily be included alongside your other commitments. Whatever business or whatever profession or whatever work you are doing, along with that, you can also trade, because it's a passive kind of way of doing things. Since it's a passive way of doing things, you can as well do it without bothering and disturbing, and that's exactly what you will learn in DST, where you if you choose to be, you can be active in front of the screen, but that's only a choice, right? But without being there, you can passively do it, which means nothing of your other aspects of your commitment gets impacted. That's a very big plus for you to be a trader. Now, some more reasons. Alternate source of income, which is a must for everybody in this today's scenario, right? Then protects your financial situation from any kind of a recession. Recession is something which we are seeing in our country and most of the countries, and we see this recession happening every now and then. When that happens, if you are in capital markets and trading, you can short. If the market is falling, a recession is hitting us, short and make more money. That happens in trading. Then next, it's highly digitized form. Trading is that business which is totally digitized. In today's world, you don't have to physically be present at a place to be trading in stock market. That is one of the biggest plus, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, literally anywhere. All you need is a connectivity and a handheld device, maybe a mobile or a pad is good enough for you to manage your trades. That's a very, very big plus point. Because of that, you got to be in trading. Next, can be done with family members as a family business with very less of knowledge. Everybody in the family can get involved and kind of manage, right? So if you are not able to manage on a particular day, you can have your family member help you to kind of do. But other kinds of businesses, one has to be deeply involved to kind of manage it. Here it's not so. With limited learning, everybody can kind of manage, and that's a very good family bondage as well, which can kind of bring in. Next, there is no age for starting and no age for retirement. As far as you are legally 18, you can kind of open your own account. But for learning trading, you can learn from any age. I teach everything what I do to my daughter, who's been learning this from the age of 12. Of course, she does not have a trading account yet, but once she turns 18, I'm going to have a trading account for her separately. But she understands and she learns that. So you can kind of do that as well. So there is no age for starting one. And beauty is there is no retirement age. It's your choice. When you want to stop it, right? There are many people who don't even stop it. They pass on the entire legacy to the next generation. And that's the beauty. You can kind of keep doing it and pass it on. So that's a beauty thing. Next, it positively impacts your work and your business. It positively impacts, right? Because if you do good in trading, other facets of your business and work also kind of starts to scale up. It's a contagious thing. So that's a very good thing. And then the next is it's very, very, very highly liquid. What does it mean? So today, whatever capital you have put in and you're trading in various instruments, you need money for some personal reason. Next day, you can have that money in your bank account. Square off your positions. Right now, the money falls into your account once again, and you transfer the funds to your bank account from there. In 24 hours, all the money is in your bank account. And if you want to move it back, you can move it back. And most of the counters in futures and options are extremely liquid, so liquid that it's like instantaneously the sell and buy happens. So that's one of the biggest plus points in trading. Next, everybody can learn very, very easily. I kind of already mentioned that. Sorry, it's a repeat there. And then professional help is available to manage your trading business. So whenever you want to learn, you can kind of learn. That is kind of available. And also to manage the trading as a business, you get professional help these days. So you can reach out to us. We can kind of help you set it up for you, right? Set up a trading desk for you and also manage it for you if you wish to, right? That's an advantage. Then finally it takes just about 15 minutes only to do all of this. One of the biggest positives. And these are my reasons which you should consider and definitely be in trading. Now, if you have more reasons and if you resonate with some of these reasons, whatever reasons you resonate, type that reason in the comment. And if you have more reasons, please go ahead and type all the more reasons so that you get to know your own reason why you want to be trading. Hope you're kind of getting more and more reasons to really be in the business of trading. I'm super excited to see all these reasons what you guys are typing in. So go ahead and type in all your reasons, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about what are all the requirements for getting into trading. See you in the next video.